Hello there, we just got done watching the final episode of the show Life in Pieces. It ran from 2017 to 2019. There are 4 seasons. Each episode, or each season has about 10 episodes, and they're about 21-ish minutes long. The gist is it's about the Short family and all the members of those families, from the grandparents, their kids, and then their grandkids, and it plays out in 4 parts for each episode, so it's like 4 short stories for each episode. I really enjoyed seasons 1, 2, and 3. Season 4 started getting on my nerves just because a couple of ways they went storyline wise just personally agitated me. I'm sure no one else would have a problem with it, but I didn't care for season 4. I think it's a pretty good show. It can be watched by, I would say, anyone older than 13, 14, I'd say, because there is some adult jokes and humor and topics and stuff like that. But yeah, it is worth watching. I'll see if I can put a link below for you. If you've seen the show Life in Pieces, let me know what you thought of it. I would recommend it. I'd give it a solid 4 out of 5. I really liked how they divided each episode into 4 short stories. It just was a really nice, refreshing way. The final episode, I feel like, definitely got cut off kind of abruptly. They could have taken it a whole nother season, but
yeah, they didn't intend it to be the series finale.
Yeah, because it definitely cut off like okay, and then it was it. It was like okay.
From what I read, CBS wanted to bring in some new shows, and then they were wanting more ownership stake in it and stuff. So they were wanting to cut it off and get it out of the way.
What platform is this currently on? Hulu.
Hulu, I think.
It's currently, as I'm recording this, on Hulu, but like I said, if I can find a link, I'll link it below. But yeah, Life in Pieces, well worth watching. Yeah. If you haven't seen it, I'd say watch it. If you have seen it, let me know what you thought of it, and let me know if you're a fan of sitcoms in general. Some people like little sitcoms about families and their dynamics, other people don't. I love sitcoms. I was raised on sitcoms. Sitcoms are my go-to to just kind of relax, chill out, and not be like overly invested. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.